Panloloko umano ni na Anthony Jennings at Maris Racal, bistado. Jam Villanueva na ex ni Anthony, naglabas ng resibo. Binasag na ng non-showbiz ex-girlfriend ni Anthony Jennings na si Jam Villanueva ang kanyang katahimikan hinggil sa tunay na rason ng kanilang paghiwalay. Nitong Martes ng gabi, Disyembre 3, ginulat ng dalaga ang madlang people matapos nitong ilabas sa kanyang Instagram story ang kanyang side of the story. Kalakip ang mga screenshots ng conversation ni na Anthony at Maris Racal. Panimula ni Jam, "I've been trying to hold myself together through everything that's been happening. But after hearing all the things being said to me about my character, my intentions, and even my family, I can't stay silent any longer. It's been deeply painful. I know it's no longer just about me. It's about protecting the people I love most, and I can't allow them to be dragged into this." Say ni Jam, nais niyang ilabas ang katotohanan hindi dahil sa galit siya, kundi dahil nais niyang palayain ang sarili sa sakit na nararamdaman niya at para linisin rin ang pangalan niya laban sa mga fans ng dalawa na patuloy na bumabatikos sa kanya. "I'm sharing this because I need to set the record straight, not to create more drama, but because I deserve to be heard. Just like anyone else. This has been a journey of pain, growth, self-discovery, and healing. No one truly knows what happens behind closed doors. But I've learned the hard way that speaking up isn't weakness, it's strength. And I've learned that choosing peace sometimes means reclaiming your voice." Say pa ni Jam. Kasunod nito ay ang paglalabas niya ng mga masiselang screenshots ng pag-uusap ni na Maris at Anthony. Nagsimula ito sa di umano'y nais lang ni Anthony na pakisamahan si Maris dahil may personal na problema itong pinagdaraanan at ayaw lang nitong makaapekto ito sa kanilang trabaho. Hanggang sa ginagamit lang raw nito ang method acting para sa mas ikagaganda ng kanilang mga eksena. Mayroon ring parte ng screenshots kung saan nag-text si Maris ng "it was hot" kay Anthony na tumutukoy sa umano'y pag-make out nila sa CR matapos ang isang party. May ilang pang mga masiselan na palitan ng mensahe sa pagitan ng dalawa at may pa-I love you pa nga. Noon pa raw ay may hinala na si Jam na may hindi magandang nangyayari sa dalawa, ngunit pinili niyang intindihin ang dalawa bilang pagpapakita ng suporta at pagrespeto sa industriyang kinabibilangan ng mga ito. Kwento pa ni Jam, "When Maris came into the picture, I was genuinely happy for you both. I even chose to be supportive, despite the red flags I couldn't ignore. I respected your craft. I believe in you both. But betrayal like this cuts deep. This is my truth. And sharing it is my own way of moving forward, not with anger, but with strength, hope, and the belief that better days are ahead." Ang mas nagpadurog pa ng puso ni Jam ay pilit nilang inaayos ang relasyon nila at ang reassurance na binibigay ni Anthony sa kanya, ngunit patuloy pa rin pala ang ginagawa nila ni Maris kahit nangako na itong ititigil kung ano ang meron sa kanila. Ibinahagi rin nito ang larawan na kuha habang nasa eroplano ang dalawa pauwi ng Maynila galing Italy na tila naghahalikan. Ito ang dumurog kay Jam dahil bago niya ito matuklasan ay sa kanya pa umuwi si Anthony at sinamahan siya sa ospital para magpa-MRI. "For nearly 7 years, I'm so grateful for you being my rock, my best friend, and most especially my partner. The memories we've shared over those years are the ones I will treasure and remember. I know I love you enough to make you feel that way, and I could never think of anyone who would make me feel the way you do. You're my first in so many things, and I'm glad I got to experience them with you." Mensahe ni Jam kay Anthony. Pagpapatuloy pa niya, "I know we've had our ups and downs, but I also know how much you've taught me through it all. Thank you for being there for me through the hardest times in life. You brought a life into mine that I never thought I could have, and for that, I'll always be grateful. Happiness was all I ever wanted for you in our years of living together. I never imagined I had to let you go, but I did, so you could grow and find happiness on your own." Sa ngayon ay wala pang ang inilalabas na pahayag si Maris Racal at Anthony Jennings tungkol nga sa inisplok ni Jam Villanueva.